Rome didn't conquer the world with swords alone. Their secret weapon? Engineering that defied physics. The Aqua Claudia aqueduct stretched 56 miles using gravity alone to deliver millions of gallons daily to 1 million Romans. The Appian Way, built in 312 BC, moved legions 20 miles per day, crushing enemies before they could react. Roman concrete, mixed with volcanic ash, created bridges and structures still standing after 2,000 years, while modern ones crumble in decades. They built 50,000 miles of roads connecting 3 continents, turning conquest into an empire. This wasn't just construction, it was domination through innovation. Want to build your empire? Visit Eventki.com. Dino3media.com.